Hello everyone. We are a team of students from the October 2018 intake of the Master in Business Analytics and Big Data at IE Madrid, and this is our computer vision project. We wanted to find a problem that could be solved with computer vision and create a prototype of a model that solves it. To start, we first thought about what problems are most important to people. And there is nothing more important to people than the safety of their children. Toddlers can get everywhere and find things that could be dangerous to them. Knives, lighters, you name it, and it's difficult to monitor them. And we came up with a solution that can recognize dangerous objects, so if a toddler is near them, parents can intervene and keep their child safe. While building our prototype, we actually trained a couple different models. In one of them, the model has no concept of what it is actually seeing. It is just given an image and told whether it is safe or unsafe. And in the other, the image is first tagged as either safe or unsafe, similar to the first model, but it is also identified as a specific object, such as a stuffed animal, razor, or so on. So let's see these models, which we built using Microsoft Azure's Custom Vision service, in action. We'll give an image of a teddy bear to our model that just labels the image as safe or unsafe, and see what it decides. And, as you can see here, the model successfully identifies the teddy bear as safe for children. Now, of course, it is even more critical that the model can recognize when an object is unsafe. So we'll feed the same model a picture of scissors, which we don't want our toddlers anywhere near, and see what happens. And, once again, the model correctly labels the scissors as unsafe. The teddy bear and scissors are just examples, but we have tested the model on a wide variety of other objects and have found that it performs very, very well. Let's also take a look at our model that identifies the actual object in each image. We may want to be able to do this so that we can alert parents not only that their child is near something unsafe, but also tell them exactly what it is. Let's start with TV remotes, which are probably safe for children to be around. And voila, the model recognizes that the object is a remote and that it is safe for children. Now, remotes may be safe, but what about the batteries inside? Small children may put them in their mouth, which is bad in general, and they may even choke, so we definitely don't want them near batteries. If we try the model on batteries, the model is also able to identify them as batteries and tag it as unsafe. Now let's talk about the real magic of our prototype. When building it, we trained it on 1,000 images of various objects, both safe and unsafe. But of course, we couldn't get a picture of every possibility. What we're about to show you now is how the model performs identifying objects it has never actually seen before. We'll start with the bottle of pills, which the model has never seen a picture of. Despite this, the model is still able to generalize based on things that it has seen to correctly identify it as something that is not safe for children. We can try again on a gun. Once again, the model has never seen a gun, but it is still able to identify it as something that is unsafe for children. Now, we obviously don't want a child near a gun, but how about a water gun? It seems a reasonable thing for a small child to be around, so we don't want to label it as unsafe. The model has never seen a water gun to make this decision, but it can still correctly recognize that it is something safe. What we have seen is just the first stage of MonoToddler. The next steps are being able to detect toddlers in the room to determine whether they may be close to an item that is dangerous for them, and integrating the software with IoT cameras. In the future, MonoToddler will be the ultimate precaution for keeping your toddlers safe at home, and we can't wait to show you more.